quickly take this apart for this lady. Take a look at this thing. This is an HP 15EG0067ST. Let's pull it apart real quick. Check the battery. Got our, underneath the foot pads, we got 4 screws. 2 in the back. 2 in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's missing. Then we have 2 screws on the front. We're going to use a nice fine bit. Apart. We got a battery. Battery, hard drive, memory, hard drive, SSD. And battery's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Alright, let's go check it up front. Well, we got this thing apart. Yeah, this is actually quite a bit of liquid. I'm looking at it with a microscope right now. It's fabulous. Yeah, I think it's I do. Sometimes I don't have any currently. Yes, ma'am. No. All right, that's fine. I'm in the process of putting it back together right now, so. Yeah, and I think you'd have to replace the screen too if you were to repair it. Just because it looks like that cable got shorted out under the that video connector. Yeah, and if you decide to get rid of it, don't just throw it out. Like I said, just bring it back. I'll get it disposed of. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.